everybody. Welcome to a rather chilly morning here in Clinton, South Carolina. We are at the Clinton House for Clays for Cancer, the big cancer research and advocacy fundraising event hosted by our South Carolina office. Let's go inside and meet some folks. Get out of the cold. Wow, what a beautiful morning, huh? Look at that. It's rolling across the water. Oh, gorgeous. Hey folks, we're here today with Larry Eberhardt, who's going to be shooting today. You may remember Larry from a recent podcast episode, and we're here now to follow up on how the push-up challenge is going. Larry, where are you at so far?
As of last night, I was at 3,105 push-ups, so I'll add a few more here.
All right, let's do it.
First and foremost, thank you guys so much, and gals, for coming out today. We got people coming down here from the north within our company like, why is it so cold today? This is pretty darn unusual. This event encompasses the culture of our company. This cause, American Cancer Society, Breast Cancer Awareness Month, is very near and dear to us. And so I applaud our leadership who's here, that we take the time, and we all here are in different walks. There's manufacturing here, there's attorneys here, there's yellow iron here. We all sell things in hours, and tip of the cap to HRP for allowing the Carolinas region to take the time to coordinate and organize this event. So thank you to our leadership here.
And so all of that money is going back to our programs, research, all of that. So we have tons of different programs. We have our Hope Lodges, which is the closest one we have is in Charleston, but it's a location for folks to go and stay for free, them and a caregiver, when they're going through any type of treatment. It doesn't just have to be breast cancer. And then we have our Reach to Recovery program, which is it partners somebody who has just been diagnosed with breast cancer with somebody who went through that journey. And we try to match them up as closely as possible. Everybody's journey is a little bit different, but try to match them up as closely as possible. And they can reach out to them whenever they want through our app or online. 1 in 8 women will be diagnosed with breast cancer in their lifetime. I was 1 in 8. And so this is not only my job, but it is my passion, and I really, truly appreciate you all being here. It means a lot. But Tuesday marked 4 years since my diagnosis, and so I am standing here because of a drug that ACS created. So again, it really means a lot.
Today I have a bag full of pigeons with my picture on it.
Your face.
With my face on it. So if you want to shoot my face out of the air today, I will be gladly accepting donations that go to my campaign. And obviously, it's just a little something that we're doing for fun today. I'm glad you're here. I work for Reeves Young. We're the ammo sponsor. We're a general contractor based out of Atlanta. I run their office here in Greenville. I won't get into all that, but this is a great cause. It's a great cause. But I lost one grandmother to breast cancer, and I had one grandmother who beat it. So it's touched my life as well. I'm going to do my 10, and then I'll see you guys out in the chorus to shoot my face out of the air. Please, yes. You ready?
Foggy. I'm Pierce Werner. I won the best score today. This is my prize. Thanks to Clays for Cancer. It's a great cause.
Hey, Craig Griffin. I came in dead last. This is my prize. Thanks, Clays for Cancer. Had a great time.
I hope to see everybody back next year. It'll be our 3rd year. I hope everybody had a great time. Thank you so much for coming out. Please help spread the word. We'd love to double this size again next year. So if you need anything.
Word on the street is Sean's gonna be a real man next year.
I don't know. I'm not doing push-ups, and I don't have a bourbon connection, but we'll come up with something. Thank you all so much. Be safe. Have a great weekend.